the very start. Do what you should have done a long time ago. Do it. I swore to protect all that was left of her, but I never thought that there would be a child. Everything I was taught told me you were wrong, but I made a promise. So I did my best to accept you and help you. Accept me. You told me to cover up, to hide. Yes, until we can fix everything. And we still can. We can cover those up and put everything right again. I'll tell Mira and Zoe that it was all a lie, an illusion by Kima to break us apart.
No, no more hiding.